Good morning, everyone. Nick, First Class Home Inspections, out here in Surprise, Arizona, doing an inspection on an older home, 1960s. So there's obviously a lot of things going on in this home. We'll try to go through a few of them as fast as we can. But I'm on the roof right now and I want to show you something. So we're on the roof here. This is actually living space here. And we don't generally want this kind of roofing material on this one. Too, you can see all the bubbles, curls in here, and then this here, you can see the staining. So that's telling me water's gathering here and just setting there. It's not running off the roof properly. On top of that, we have, almost fell through the roof, honestly. Right there, it was kind of a soft spot. So some what we call fish mouth. So water's ponding in this area. It's gonna run back in there and probably seep through to underneath there. And there is some soft spots in this roof decking. So we're gonna obviously need further evaluation and repair because this isn't properly sloped. We have a foundation issue over there, the actual whole roof line, wall, everything on the inside. When we get there, we'll see that it's actually sunken as a bow. Over here by the AC conduit going through the roof, there's no sealant in there, so water's gonna run off and go down into the home. As this runs down here, it's got up here, but there's likelihood that it's going to leak in this corner because this shingle's running off right underneath the flashing right here. So if you remember when I was showing you the ponding, so now I have stains right here. So this is evident that the roof is actually leaking and it's going down this beam right here. So some serious issues that need to be addressed. So this is the moisture damage in the, obviously evident, we just had a rain a couple days ago. So showing that we have over the top moisture. So we have active roof leaks here. So we're going to recommend further evaluation and repairs or replace as needed by a qualified contractor.